2 more insane products for you today. Stand by, I'm gonna get right into it. Hey there, Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy, back with you. It's funny, I think that might become like my brand almost, like Dr. Dave's or the RV Dummy's insane RV products, because I'm a product guy. If I find something that I like, not only will it really help make my life easier and be good for me and my RV, but I love helping other people discover cool products that maybe you don't know about, or maybe it's something you've heard of, you know about, but you just haven't really tried or used. Now, so I got 2 for you. I'll do them real quickly. They're fun. First one I found today, it's funny. I found it because I didn't really need it for the RV, but I was walking through a local, like it was a Lowe's or a Home Depot or something like that, and I found I needed something to repair something in my bathroom at home, in my bricks and sticks. Or I still haven't figured out whether it's bricks and sticks or sticks and bricks. I think bricks and sticks. I still don't know. Somebody please write to me and tell me if the preference is bricks and sticks or sticks and bricks. I want to see in the comments, because I want to say it the right way. I want to be politically correct. So I found this tape, and I'm a tape guy. You know, I've showed you different types of tape in my first video that was in Dave's some insane products. This right here is called 3M repair tape. Now it looks kind of like packing tape, but let me tell you, it's very, very different. I got it because I needed to actually fix something on or in my bathtub at home. So I needed it to be not only strong, not only a little flexible, but totally waterproof, water resistant. If water hits it, I did not want it to come loose. I didn't want it to like get messed up or anything. So I found this, and I made the repair in my bathtub at home, and then I brought it into the RV to keep here in the RV, because I'm thinking there's so many possible uses for a nice semi-flexible, strong, waterproof repair tape. I mean, I could have used this 2 weeks ago when Yoko and I went to East Canyon State Park, and yeah, I had a little bit of a problem with my hose connection, and some water was leaking out, and I used duct tape, and it was okay. It worked all right. But if I would have had this waterproof repair tape, then my problems would have all been over. Every single one of my life problems would be done just from this waterproof repair tape. I'm gonna, like I usually do, I'm gonna put the links, even though I got these locally, I'll find them exactly on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description of the video below. It's weird, but because of the light coming in, it looks like I've got weird fingertips, right? But it's just the sun coming in, that's all it is. I'm sitting here in my rig, loving it. So that's number 1, 3M. It's called 3M. It's just called 3M repair tape. I'll give you the link to that. Second one is, if you're an avid RVer, if you're an experienced RVer, you have one of these already. It's not new. I've had one, but mine went bad, so I got another one. But I want to share this mainly with newbies, because it's super important. And what it is an RV pressure regulator. I'm not sure if this is going to come through the writing backwards or not in the video. I'm not sure, but suffice to say, it's an RV water pressure regulator. So what that means is, when you hook your hose up to your RV at a campground and you turn it on, it's going to have water coming through your whole plumbing system in the RV. Now, oftentimes the hose in the campground, the water, the water bib, the water faucet is unregulated as far as pressure goes, and the pressure could be super high. Now, if that's the case, what it can do, if you're running high pressure into your pipes in your rig, it can cause the pipes to burst. And let me tell you something, that is not an easy or inexpensive repair. You're going to have to get somebody in here and fix it, and it's going to be a total mess. Not to even mention, it's going to mess up your trip. So what you do is you put this RV water pressure regulator between the hose coming out of the system of the campground hose faucet and your RV, you know, incoming into the RV. And what it does, it regulates the pressure. It will not allow the pressure to exceed, it looks like it's factory, it says factory preset at 40 to 50 PSI, which I'm assuming is the safe pressure, PSI, pressure per square inch. I think that's what it means, I'm guessing. I'm the RV dummy. I don't know intricate things like that, but I do know this is super, super, super crucial. And if you're a new RVer, and if you don't have one of these yet, you are totally risking bursting your entire plumbing system in your rig. So make sure you get it. If you're a experienced RVer, I know you already have one, but again, I picked it up because my other one, it's made out of brass. It got old and went bad. And I don't like things leaking all over the place, so I got a brand new one. Those are my two insane products for today. As I find more things, whether they're old, new, common, uncommon, I'm going to run them by you and just share it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start a playlist. That's right. It's called a playlist. It'll be called something like Dave's Insane RV Products. And so you can, at any time, go into my channel, look at the playlist, Dave's Insane RV Products, and find a lot of cool things that maybe you never even thought about. That's it for today. Hey, love you guys. Thanks so much for being part of my channel. I've got a lot of well, how can I say this? My mind has been freed up recently. And I've got my brain is on fire. I've got a lot of really, really cool ideas for you guys. So I thank you for being with me. I will talk to you soon. Dr. Dave, the RV dummy. See you later.